Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. I'm happy you're here because today's story is full of color, laughter, and maybe a little fear in a good way. What is the most exciting night of the year? When people dress like witches, ghosts, and superheroes, and children knock on doors asking for candy. Yes, you guessed it. It's Halloween. Halloween is fun, a little scary, and full of sweets. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about Halloween in simple English. You'll learn easy words and phrases to describe what people do, what they wear, and how they celebrate this spooky holiday. So, get your pumpkin ready and let's go trick-or-treating together. Halloween happens every year on October 31st. It's a night when people have fun with costumes, decorations, and candy. Children love it. Adults love it too, because they can dress up and be a little silly. In today's story, we'll follow one special Halloween day, from morning to night. And you'll learn how to talk about your own Halloween plans in English. It's October 31st. The air feels cool, and the leaves are orange and red. The big day has arrived. Halloween. In the morning, people start preparing. They decorate their houses with pumpkins, spiders, and bats. Some people hang fake ghosts from trees. Others put skeletons on their doors. Families carve pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. They cut out triangle eyes and a big smile. When it's finished, they put a candle inside. At night, the pumpkin will glow with a spooky light. You can say, "We carve pumpkins every Halloween. My jack-o'-lantern looks scary." Even schools and shops decorate for Halloween. Everywhere you look, there are orange lights and funny monsters. It feels like the whole town is getting ready for a party. In the afternoon, it's costume time. Kids and adults put on costumes. Scary ones, funny ones, even cute ones. Some people become witches. Some become zombies or vampires. Others choose superheroes, princesses, and cartoon characters. You can say, "I wear a vampire costume." "My sister dresses as a cat." Everyone looks different, and that's the best part. Halloween is a day when you can be anyone or anything. Parents also prepare candy for the evening. They fill big bowls with chocolate, lollipops, and gummy bears. Because soon, children will come knocking at their doors, shouting, "Trick or treat!" This is the most famous Halloween phrase. It means, "Give me candy, or I'll play a little trick." But don't worry, it's just a fun game. When the sun goes down, Halloween truly begins. The streets are full of children walking with their parents. They laugh, run, and knock on doors. Each time a door opens, they shout, "Trick or treat!" And the people at the door smile and give them candy. The children say, "Thank you, Happy Halloween." Some houses look amazing, full of lights, fog, and scary sounds. One house even has a fake ghost that moves. Older kids and adults often go to Halloween parties. They play games, eat snacks, and dance in their costumes. A funny game people play is bobbing for apples. There's a bowl of water with apples floating inside. The goal is to catch one using only your mouth, no hands. It's messy, silly, and very funny to watch. Now, let's look at some easy and useful phrases from our Halloween story. Carve a pumpkin means to cut a face or design into a pumpkin. We carve pumpkins together. Wear a costume means to dress up as something. I wear a vampire costume. Trick or treat. What kids say to ask for candy. Children go trick-or-treating. Jack-o'-lantern. A carved pumpkin with a candle inside. The jack-o'-lantern is on the porch. Scary but fun. Something that's a little frightening but enjoyable. Halloween is scary but fun. Repeat these phrases after me. They'll make your Halloween English sound natural and easy. Now it's your turn. Can you say 2 or 3 sentences about Halloween? Here are some examples. I wear a ghost costume on Halloween. Children go trick-or-treating and get candy. We carve pumpkins and watch scary movies. If your country doesn't celebrate Halloween, you can still talk about it. Just say, "We don't have Halloween here, but I think it looks fun." Practice speaking out loud. Even small sentences help you grow your confidence. So, my friends, what did we learn today? Halloween is a day full of laughter, creativity, and sweets. People decorate their homes, wear costumes, and share candy with neighbors. It's a time to have fun, to play, and to enjoy a little spooky magic. Even if you don't celebrate Halloween, it's a great way to learn English words about holidays, colors, and feelings. Now tell me, what costume would you wear if you could join Halloween? A superhero? A funny pumpkin? Or maybe a friendly ghost? Write your answer in English and have fun imagining it. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Listening Stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English stories every week. And remember, learning English can be magical, just like Halloween night. Stay curious, stay brave, and don't forget your candy. See you next time, and happy Halloween!